BeepOS 13 has arrived, and if you have never heard of it before, you are probably wondering what makes this operating system worth talking about in a world dominated by Windows, macOS, and countless Linux distributions. The answer is that BeepOS 13 represents an interesting approach to desktop computing, combining modern design ideas with lightweight performance and a focus on simplicity. In today's video, we're taking a detailed first look at BeepOS 13, exploring its user interface, performance, features, customization options, software ecosystem, and overall user experience to find out whether this operating system deserves your attention. The first thing you notice after booting into BeepOS 13 is its clean and modern desktop environment. The developers have clearly focused on creating a system that feels approachable to both new and experienced users. The desktop is uncluttered, with a sleek panel, simple application launcher, and thoughtfully designed icons that give the operating system a polished appearance. Unlike some operating systems that overwhelm users with countless settings and visual effects, BeepOS 13 strikes a balance between functionality and simplicity. Everything feels organized and easy to navigate from the moment you log in. The installation process is another area where BeepOS 13 makes a strong first impression. Setting up the operating system is straightforward, with a graphical installer that guides users through language selection, disk partitioning, user account creation, and system configuration. Even users with limited technical knowledge should find the process relatively easy to complete. The installer moves quickly, and once the installation finishes, the system is ready to use without requiring extensive post-installation setup. This focus on accessibility could make BeepOS 13 attractive to users looking for an alternative to more complicated operating systems. Performance is one of the most important factors when evaluating any operating system, and BeepOS 13 performs surprisingly well. The desktop environment feels responsive, applications launch quickly, and general navigation remains smooth even on modest hardware. Many users today are searching for operating systems that can breathe new life into older computers, and BeepOS 13 appears to be designed with efficiency in mind. Resource usage remains relatively low during idle operation, allowing more system resources to be allocated to applications and productivity tasks. This lightweight approach helps ensure that users enjoy a fast computing experience regardless of whether they are running the operating system on a newer machine or aging hardware. Another notable aspect of BeepOS 13 is its visual design. Modern operating systems often compete on aesthetics as much as functionality, and BeepOS 13 delivers a contemporary look without becoming overly flashy. Window animations are subtle, menus are easy to read, and the color scheme creates a pleasant desktop environment that can be used comfortably for extended periods. The attention to visual consistency helps make the operating system feel more mature and professional. Every component appears to follow a unified design philosophy, which contributes to a cohesive user experience. Customization has become increasingly important for desktop users, and BeepOS 13 provides a respectable selection of personalization options. Users can modify themes, wallpapers, panel layouts, icon styles, and desktop behaviors to suit their preferences. While it may not offer the endless customization possibilities found in some Linux distributions, the available options should satisfy most users who want to tailor their workspace. The Settings application presents these options in a logical manner, reducing the learning curve and making customization accessible to everyone. Software availability is often a deciding factor when considering a new operating system. BeepOS 13 includes a collection of essential applications out of the box, allowing users to begin working immediately after installation. Common tools such as a web browser, file manager, media player, text editor, and productivity utilities are typically included. This eliminates the need to spend hours searching for basic software before becoming productive. Additionally, the software management system simplifies the process of installing new applications, keeping the experience user-friendly and efficient. Security and stability are also important considerations, especially as cyber threats continue to evolve. BeepOS 13 appears to place significant emphasis on system reliability. Updates are delivered through an integrated update manager, helping users keep their system secure and up to date. The update process itself is straightforward, reducing the likelihood of users postponing important security patches. Stability during everyday use seems solid, with applications running reliably and the desktop environment maintaining responsiveness throughout extended sessions. One area where BeepOS 13 may appeal to users is its focus on productivity. The desktop layout is designed to minimize distractions while maximizing efficiency. Application switching is quick, workspace management is intuitive, and commonly used functions remain easily accessible. Whether you're writing documents, browsing the web, managing files, or attending online meetings, the operating system provides the tools necessary for a productive workflow. This emphasis on practical usability makes BeepOS 13 suitable for students, professionals, and casual users alike. File management is another area worth discussing. The included File Manager offers a clean interface with support for common file operations such as copying, moving, renaming, and organizing files. Navigation feels intuitive, and performance remains responsive even when working with large directories. Features such as search functionality, file previews, and bookmark support help improve efficiency during everyday tasks. These small conveniences contribute significantly to the overall user experience. Multimedia support is increasingly important in modern operating systems, and BeepOS 13 handles media consumption reasonably well. Video playback appears smooth, audio support is reliable, and the included media applications provide basic functionality without unnecessary complexity. Whether users are watching videos, listening to music, or viewing images, the operating system delivers a capable multimedia experience. Depending on the software ecosystem available for BeepOS 13, users may also have access to additional applications that expand multimedia capabilities even further. Networking and connectivity features are equally important, and BeepOS 13 seems well equipped in this regard. Connecting to wired and wireless networks is simple, with network management tools integrated directly into the desktop environment. Bluetooth support, printer configuration, and device management functions are presented in a user-friendly manner, helping users connect peripherals without frustration. These quality-of-life improvements make daily computing more convenient and contribute to the operating system's overall appeal. For users transitioning from Windows or other mainstream operating systems, familiarity plays a significant role in adoption. Fortunately, BeepOS 13 includes many interface elements and workflows that feel intuitive to users coming from other platforms. The application launcher, taskbar-like panel, notification system, and settings interface all follow recognizable design patterns. This familiarity helps reduce the learning curve while still allowing the operating system to establish its own identity. Developers and power users may also find aspects of BeepOS 13 appealing. Depending on the underlying architecture, the operating system may provide access to development tools, terminal functionality, scripting capabilities, and package management systems that support advanced workflows. Having these tools readily available can make BeepOS 13 a viable platform for software development, system administration, and technical experimentation. At the same time, less technical users can simply ignore these advanced features and focus on the graphical interface. One of the challenges facing any emerging operating system is building a community. Strong communities provide documentation, tutorials, troubleshooting assistance, and software development contributions that help a platform grow over time. BeepOS 13 appears to be moving in a positive direction by attracting interest from enthusiasts who enjoy exploring alternative operating systems. As community engagement increases, users can expect better support resources, more third-party software, and continued improvements to the platform. The performance gains offered by lightweight operating systems often become most apparent on older hardware. Many users have computers that struggle with newer versions of Windows or resource-intensive desktop environments. BeepOS 13 could represent an appealing solution for extending the lifespan of these machines. Faster boot times, lower memory consumption, and responsive desktop performance help transform aging hardware into usable systems once again. This focus on efficiency aligns with growing interest in sustainable computing and reducing electronic waste. Looking beyond the immediate features, BeepOS 13 demonstrates a clear vision of what a modern desktop operating system can be. Rather than attempting to replicate every feature found in larger platforms, it focuses on delivering a streamlined experience that prioritizes speed, simplicity, and usability. This focused approach often results in a more refined user experience because developers can concentrate their efforts on the features that matter most to users. Of course, no operating system is perfect. Potential users should carefully evaluate software compatibility, hardware support, available applications, and long-term development plans before making a complete switch. Some specialized software may not be available, and certain hardware configurations could require additional setup. These considerations are common with alternative operating systems and should be weighed against the benefits offered by BeepOS 13. After spending time exploring the operating system, the overall impression is quite positive. BeepOS 13 delivers a polished desktop experience, responsive performance, modern visual design, useful customization options, and a user-friendly workflow that feels accessible from the very beginning. It successfully combines simplicity with functionality, creating an environment that works well for everyday computing tasks, while still offering enough flexibility to satisfy more experienced users. As we wrap up this first look at BeepOS 13, it's clear that the project has considerable potential. The operating system demonstrates thoughtful design decisions, efficient resource management, and an emphasis on user experience that many people will appreciate. Whether you're searching for a lightweight operating system for older hardware, exploring alternatives to mainstream platforms, or simply curious about new developments in the desktop computing world, BeepOS 13 is certainly worth keeping an eye on. It may not replace every established operating system overnight, but it offers a compelling glimpse into a different approach to personal computing, one that values speed, simplicity, and practicality while still delivering a modern and enjoyable desktop experience.